Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Here's what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Study finds high protein breakfast boost fullness but do not change how much you eat later. A new study from Newcastle University explores whether plant-based protein can rival animal-based protein in curbing hunger after breakfast. With growing concerns about sustainability and ethics, this research published in European Journal of Nutrition addresses whether plant and animal proteins differ in their ability to suppress appetite and influence subsequent calorie intake. Protein is essential for health, but environmental and ethical concerns have increased interest in plant-based alternatives. Protein impacts digestion, metabolism, and appetite by stimulating satiety hormones like PYY and GLP-1 while suppressing ghrelin. Studies showed variety results. Some find certain plant protein more satisfying, others favor whey. Liquids generally suppress appetite less than solids, but the influence of protein sources on this difference remains unclear. The research involved 18 healthy adults in a randomized crossover design. Participants consumed 3 breakfast types on separate occasions: a plant-based high-protein drink, an animal-based high-protein meal, and a low-protein high-carb meal. After fasting overnight and avoiding caffeine and exercise, they consumed the breakfast under controlled lab conditions. Appetite was assessed using visual and analog scales for 4 hours, and blood samples were collected to measure satiety hormone, peptide YY, and glucagon like peptide 1. Finally, participants ate an ad libitum lunch to test how breakfast affected later food intake. Results showed both high-protein breakfast significantly boosted PYY and GLP-1 level compared to the low-protein meal, with no meaningful difference between plant and animal-based proteins. Subjective appetite decreased more after the plant-based drink, though differences were modest. Importantly, calorie intake at lunch did not differ across breakfast types or age groups. Hormone levels correlated weakly and non-significantly with energy intake. Now, the study concludes that plant-based protein drink can match animal-based meals in stimulating satiety hormones and reducing appetite, offering a practical, sustainable breakfast option. However, these hormonal and appetite differences did not translate into decreased food intake later. Limitations include a small older adult sample and lack of testing different meal forms. User research should examine long-term adherence and real-world effect. Now, this work supports plant protein as effective alternatives to animal sources for appetite control, aligning sustainability and nutrition goals without compromising satiety. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.